Hi friends, this is Julie from White County Public Library with another episode of Quick Cooking Tips sponsored by Floyd's Cash Saver. Today I'll be teaching you how to make Watergate salad. This recipe is really easy to make and it doesn't require any heat, so it's a really good one to do with some of your smaller chefs in your family. For this, you're only going to need 4 ingredients: a bag of mini Jet Puff marshmallows, a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple, 1 8-ounce container of whipped topping, and 1 box of pistachio pudding and pie filling mix. This is where it gets fun because it doesn't actually look appetizing until a little bit further into the recipe. We're going to dump the entire container into the bowl. Dunk the entire can of pineapple in there, and you do not have to drain it. That will actually help soak into the marshmallows. All right, you're gonna give that a stir, and it's not gonna look good. Oh, that smells great though. All right, here's where we're gonna turn it green. It's my favorite part. All right, it's gonna quickly start looking like a science experiment. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells amazing. The entire bag of marshmallows. Now you can do a little bit at a time. I kind of like to do it that way just so I don't make a mess with the marshmallows, especially when you're working with kids. That is if they don't eat half the bag before you get to it. Now you can serve this right away if you want to, but it is best if you refrigerate it for about an hour in a covered container. Do not leave it uncovered. It gels at the top. It gets gross. So just put a container in the fridge full of it for about an hour. Really softens up those marshmallows. All right, y'all, it's done. It's that quick. Okay, let's try it. Better when it's refrigerated. I can tell you by the smell of it, it's going to be really good. Tastes like Easter. Okay. That's how simple it is. That's how easy it is. Let me know if you add anything else to yours. If you make this at home, feel free to send us pictures and we'll chat with you in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.